Hello, your Alpha Omega again. So the topic today is respect the nature. Respect the nature. So who you think is more inferior or superior? I'm sure everybody will be like, me, teacher. Yeah, it's us humans. But in the end, nope. You failed. You failed. Can you survive without butterflies? Just single, you call it so small thing. Eh? Just imagine all butterflies died. What would you do? You dead yourself. When all the tree died, we have over 70% of our lungs in the Amazonas, and you're just going there to burn it down for food, for some fucking oil. This bombo clat oil, just because of money? But how long can you eat it? How long can you eat the oil? If you're already dead and they're still alive. One day you'll die and the trees are still alive. So finally the planet can regenerate from these idiot assholes, bomboclats, called yourselves. Palm oil farms. You cut our lung. We need that to breathe. Just for your food. And it's just oil, it's not food. You can't even eat oil. Are you gonna get satisfied from oil? Are you? I don't think so. Eat oil and satisfy yourself and then call me and you know what? You are wrong, Cindy. You are wrong. Alpha Omega, you are wrong. We can be satisfied of oil. You should have told me that before. Try it out. You're killing our land called Amazonas because without the trees you are not even oxygen. You cannot even breathe. So you'll be dead and the trees will be still there regenerating themselves so that they can make other species here. So you're finally gone. I cannot wait for that time. You know what? If I had a button to press it and everybody gonna eradicate myself in as well, I'll do it. Press, boom, gone. Regeneration. You pushed me to that point so long time ago. I was not even 20. Maybe you say you are 21. It's just 1 year ago. Okay, if you think so. You think what you are, so you are stupid, so you are stupid. You think you are stupid, so you're stupid. It's not my problem. Until you know that I have a proverb for you. I have something philosophical for you. Until the world knows that the love of power is better than the power of until the world knows that the power of love is better than the love for power, the world will never know peace to infinity and beyond the universe imagination. I repeat it again. Until the world knows that the love of power is stronger than the love for power, until I have to repeat myself because there are people who are really slow, until the world knows that the love of power is stronger than the power. Wait, it's the other way around. I need to reverse this shit like there's no tomorrow. Because it has been integrated into our brain since childhood. Then if you speak bullshit. That's why you hear bullshit from everybody. I say it slow. Until the power of love overcomes the love for power, the world will not know any peace. I say it again. Until the power of love overcomes the love for power, the world will never know peace to infinity and beyond the universe imagination. So change yourselves, people. You cannot eat oil. Are you gonna die of it and you know it? Oh wait. Haters, feel free. Save our universe and stop using so much plastic. Go to the market like I told you. Buy stuff without plastic. Put it in your basket. Like this. It's made out of fabric that you can still use it over and over again. So no plastic. They are like lands bigger than, let's take an example. France. Swimming in the ocean, that's plastic. At least I saw a documentary, there was some guy who made out of that land a house. That's what you call recycling, right? So think about it, think about yourself, because you are nothing. The universe is everything, and the nature is the one who's stronger than you. So you are inferior, and the nature here is superior. I still remain your Alpha Omega. Stay safe, eat well, take care of the temple. That's everything, huh? Have a nice day. Till next time, bye.